Hello. Here we are at another crosswalk over at Entrada and River Road. And we got ourselves some more of the traffic light hardware ink buttons. It's a clicky too. It's pretty short too, because look right there. There's another one there and there's another one next to it. So it's not too far away. Look at that. There's another one down there, but I'm not gonna go there too far because I'm not gonna. This right here does look like a Campbell. That looks like a Campbell. This right here is not. It's a hardware button. Oh, walk sign just went off. Not crossing. Let's go check out this one over here. Let's go check out this one. This one's also hardware, single hardwire. Look at this. That right there. Oh, my camera's facing down. There's the button up front. Okay. There's the other one. That one just went off. This one might go off at some point. And just give you one last look at this one before I head out again. And there's the button. That's it.